Welcome back to our Misconception series. Today we're taking a look at misconception number 5. Auto transport technology needs an internal IT team to get rolling. The auto transport industry may seem old school to some, but it's shifted gears into the digital fast lane. There's a common belief that auto transport tech is as complex as a car engine. But here's the twist. With the latest technology platforms, you don't need a tech whiz or an IT crew. These powerful platforms are user-friendly by design, meaning you can drive them with ease no matter your tech savviness. The best part? These tools are not just easy to use, they're designed to make your life easier. Imagine having all the tech you need in one dashboard, as simple to use as your car's GPS. So for everyone in the auto transport business, dealerships, brokers, and carriers, it's time to shift your perspective. Say goodbye to the misconception that technology is for the techies alone. Drive into the future with confidence and leave the IT team for your tech problems, not your tech solutions. Because with the right platform, everyone can cruise comfortably on the information superhighway. As this concludes our Misconception series, let us know what other myths we can bust for you. Subscribe, like, or leave a comment about what you think. And we hope you join Super Dispatch in moving cars easier.